Hello everyone, myself Dr. Lokesh and I welcome you back in the Full Stack Studio. Today we have Dr. Akansha with us. So hello ma'am, welcome you in the Full Stack Studio here. What is the starting with the first question? What is the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning? As the beginners, you would suggest us.
So basically, when we talk about artificial and machine learning, so we can say that artificial intelligence is basically a superset of machine learning, and machine learning is a subset, or we can say a field in artificial intelligence and computer science, which helps to imitate the machines, the behavior or the thinking power of humans. So it basically deals with making our machines smart by learning. And how do we do that learning? So we have a lot of data around us these days, so we are trying to make algorithms, we are trying to make models which can basically be more smart. They can learn from the existing data. So that is the major difference between
Ask as a layman, and I don't have any idea about artificial intelligence. So the first point that comes in my mind, does machine learn something? How they learn?
As the name is telling you, machine learning. So basically, when we say machine learning, we are actually trying our machine to learn from the data that we have. As humans, we learn from the experiences, from the information that we have, and we have all that processing in our brain. But for machines to learn, they require a lot of data. So sometimes we have labeled data, sometimes we have unlabeled data, sometimes we give feedback on the learning of the machine, and that is the different ways in which the machine is going to learn. So machine learning basically deals where we want the machine to learn and do something for us.
Now if we talk about full stack and machine learning, so is there any way for full stack beginners to learn something about with the machine learning? I mean,
full stack is coming up as a very vast field where a lot of things are happening, and I would say that nowadays everything is depending upon the web services only. So whenever earlier when we were using machine learning applications, there were models and machines which were used on some particular machine for some particular specific task. But now if you see around us, we have a lot of web services, we have a lot of applications on our phones which are using machine learning. So as a full stack developer, whenever there is a machine learning application developed by an ML developer, the role of a full stack developer will be to deploy that particular machine learning application as a web service. And once we have a machine learning model as a web service, it will be very, very useful for the users. It will make things smart and all that.
I mean, what people are doing nowadays, because if I talk about the full stack, it's more or less related with the website development, mobile application development and all these things. A single person is doing all those stuff. The point is, nowadays we see many advertisement where what we found, they are claiming that we have AI ML websites. So I guess machine learning has a power to enhance the capabilities of the website, a normal website. What you say about this?
Yeah. So if we see nowadays, whatever these websites that we are looking after, a lot of them are using machine learning. Maybe it could be for customer segmentation, prediction, or maybe some kind of recommendation. So all the website, if you see on the back end, there is machine learning which is being used, and that machine learning is actually making the websites also smart. We go on to a website and they predict something for us, they recommend something to us. So all that is done with machine learning. So machine learning and full stack has a very close connection, and in future we'll see more growth into that area.
I guess it was a great discussion with you about machine learning and full stack, and I feel after discussing with you that it is really a great opportunity for all the students who are working in the full stack to go with the machine learning and get some ideas how we can deal with the new ideas, new concepts of the machine learning and can implement in the website development.
Sure, definitely.
Okay, thank you ma'am, thank you for coming here, and we will get you back some days later.
Thank you. It was
Thank you.
nice discussion.
Thank you so much.